Okay, hello and welcome back to the channel everyone, 9th standard students. This is Bajaj sir welcoming you to your own classes that you plus. Today we are going to start with a new subject, English. This is nothing new to you, but for YouTube lectures this is a new thing. Okay, so regularly we are going to post English lectures. This is the first lecture and first poem, first chapter, first poem 1.1 which we are going to cover today. I have written the meanings of some difficult words which will help you in understanding the poem in a better way. These two are from paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, 5 and 6. Today 6 paragraph poem we are going to cover. The name of the poem is the नहीं है life. Okay, life. Life, believe, is not a dream so dark as sages say of a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Now, what this particular paragraph says? Again, I am going to read with one line. I am going to explain you each line after reading. What they say: life, believe, is not a dream. Okay, believe me, life is not just a dream. It is not like you are dreaming and those things are getting fulfilled. So dark as sages say. So dark as sages say means sages का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पर? Wisely men या wise men. Okay, wise men. The people who are wise, their words are very dark, deep. Their knowledge is very deep and dark. Okay, it is difficult to understand their words. It is difficult to understand what they say. Okay, it is difficult to reach the level which they are. So life is not just a dream. It is dark as a wise man and his words. Oft यानी often, a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Not always it is good, not always it is bad. Sometimes a little morning rain will produce, foretells की जगह भी produce लगा दो, produce a pleasant day. Okay, whenever you are getting up, if you see morning rains, you feel very positive and nice, that the climate has become very nice. Okay, so that means the day has become pleasant in its start, in its initial times. Okay, let me read the paragraph again. Life, believe, is not a dream so dark as sages say of a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. हिंदी में बताता हूँ मैं अभी कि ये जो जिंदगी है, ये जो लाइफ है, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक अ ड्रीम. ये एक ड्रीम नहीं है कि हम जो सोच रहे हैं वैसा ही होगा. कभी कभी वो भी होता है जो हमको समझ में नहीं आता है. इतनी डार्क चीज़ें हो जाती है, इतनी डीप होती है, इतनी अनएक्सपेक्टेड चीज़ें हो जाती है. जैसे कि एक वाइज मैन की बोली हुई बातें. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि हम लोग सुबह उठते हैं और बारिश चालू हो जाती है और हमारा दिन बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. इट इज़ नॉट ऑलवेज बैड डेज. द डेज आर गुड. Unexpected things happen. Second paragraph. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient at all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lamest its fall. Okay. Sometimes the clouds of gloom, that is depression. Depression means the feeling of sadness, feeling very negative. Feeling that you are nowhere in this world, feeling that you are failing the race of life, feeling that you have not achieved anything, feeling very sad, extremely sad. Sometimes there are clouds of depression, that is gloom, but these are transient all. Transient matlab temporary. These depressions, these glooms, this sadness, this particular thing is temporary in nature. But if the shower will make the roses bloom, bloom means blossom. If the roses are blooming, oh why lamest its fall. Okay, lamest means expressing regret. Okay, now what this paragraph says: sometimes there are clouds of gloom, that is depression. Sometimes we feel depressed, but these are temporary things. If the flower is glooming, if the flower is blooming and blooming and getting beautiful, when that particular flower will fall on the surface, why to regret that particular thing? Because you should enjoy each and every moment. You should feel that the flower got blue, the beauty of the flower made the environment uh, positive. But when the flower is falling, why to regret that particular thing? It is a temporary thing. Again a new flower will come in the place of that first flower. Okay, we should not regret what is happening in our life, bad things which are happening in our life. We should move forward and try to change the situation and turn the situation into good things, into positive things, from that particular depression to positivity. Okay, third paragraph. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. What does third paragraph says? Rapidly, that is fast. Merrily means happily. Life's sunny hours flit by. Sunny hours means good days. Flit by. Flit by means lightly they pass away. Okay? Lightly और quickly you can say. Lightly and quickly. Quickly भी एक meaning है इसका. Lightly and quickly the sunny days, the good days they pass. ठीक है? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Flit by means lightly they fly. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. Should not think what is going to happen in the future. We should not think what has happened in the past. We should not think bad things about future. We should not remember the bad things which happened in our past. We should focus on today. We should see that our life is going great. We should see that we have food on our table. We should see each and every positive thing happening around us, and we should be grateful, and we should see that our good days are going in a very good speed, in a very good way. Okay, rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours, that is good day, they quickly pass away. Okay, they quickly pass. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. Feel happiness of that happiness which you are having. Feel happy of those happiness which you are having, and not regret that you can't have that in future, and not regret that you didn't have that in future, didn't have that in past. Okay, so don't think of past and future. Think about present. Enjoy the present, and see that you are happy about the present you are living in. Now, fourth paragraph. What though death at times step in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? Now what they are telling here is, what though death at times steps in? What if sometimes death knocks your door? Okay, death comes at your home and calls our best away. Takes the best person you were living with. Okay, if the best person in your life die, the death takes away that person. Okay, what though sorrow seems to win? At that time you feel that sorrow is winning from the happiness, because at that time we are alone. At that time we are empty. We are so negative that death has taken the best person from our life. At that time sorrow has won the battle. Fourth line is very important. Over hope a heavy sway. Sway का मतलब क्या है? Controlling. However you try, how much you try to control and keep your life happy and positive, there will be any uncertain event which can make your life turn from happiness to negative, happiness to sorrows, happiness to depression. But as I told, these depressions are not permanent, these depressions are not ongoing, you can turn those depressions, those negativities into positive, into a positive thing in a positive way. Okay, what if sometimes the death comes to your home and takes the best person from you, and sorrows, it spread, the sorrow is winning the battle right now, and you think that everything is now ended. Do you think that everything has ended? No, it is just temporary thing. Life will lead in a new way. Life will lead in a new way. You will get some other person as your best person. You will realize that it was a past, and then you will move on. Okay, so there is nothing which is permanent. Everything is temporary. Let it be happiness, let it be sorrows. If you are today happy, you can be negative and in depression tomorrow, but that doesn't mean that you will stay in that depression. You will get positive and happy the day after tomorrow as well. The days keep on changing. Every morning a new ray of light comes and knocks your window. You have to grab that particular positivity, you have to grab that particular light for your betterment. Moving ahead, we have fifth paragraph. Yet hope again, elastic springs, unconquered though she fell, still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Yet hope again, elastic springs. What if somebody died? What if the sorrow is ruling right now? But yet the hope, elastic springs. ठीक है, होप जो है फिर से इलास्टिक की तरह बढ़ना चालू होता है. The hope will start to grow again. The positivity will knock your door someday. Unconquered though she fell. What if the hope is feeling unconquered? What if the hope is feeling unconquered? Unconquered का मीनिंग क्या दिया है यहाँ पर? Undefeated. ठीक है, it is unconquered. ठीक है, still not conquered the positivity, but still undefeated. There is a task to do. ठीक है, there is a task to complete, that your sorrow should be converted into positivity, into happiness. How will you convert that particular thing into happiness? Is just by using your one word, and that is hope. Hope here right now, when you are sad, when you are in depression, when you are in sorrows, your hope is undefeated. Your hope is unconquered. Your hope is incomplete. Your hope needs to do certain huge job to conquer itself, to conquer the happiness, to conquer the top level mountains of happiness, the positivity. Still buoyant are her golden wings. What if the sorrow is ruling? Her wings are still buoyant. Buoyant means independent, free. Buoyant means independent and free to float. Her wings are so independent and that she can fly high. Okay, that she can fly high and she can touch the sky. Okay, she can touch the sky, the limits which she is feeling. She means यहाँ पर hope की बात हो रही है. Your hopes which are right now unconquered, still strong to bear us well. We are feeling sorrow, we are feeling negative, we are feeling in depression, but our hope is still alive, and she can take us to the level of being a well person. Being well, still strong to bear us well, still strong to take us from negativity to positivity, from sorrows to happiness, from depression to positivity. Okay, and last paragraph is manfully, fearfully the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. Manfully, fearlessly the day of trial bear. Manfully यानी कि बहुत strongly, you can say that strongly. Fearlessly, fearlessly means without any fears. the day of trial bear, till the last day of our life, we, if we have positivity, we have hope, we have turned our life from negativity to positivity, we can live a life very strong, very fearlessly. Okay? For gloriously, victoriously. And if we have led a life which is positively, we can say that we led a life to become glorious, to become victorious, to become the person who has won the battle of life, from the who has won from the depression, who has won from the sadness, who has won from the negativities, and who has conquered positivity, who has conquered happiness. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously, can courage quell despair? Can courage end? No, your courage can never end if you are having positivity, if you are having hope, if you are feeling alive, if you are feeling very happy, your courage can never end. Quell means end. Okay, so here the poem is coming to end. The poem is written by Charlotte Bronte. Okay, this poem is a very beautiful poem written by Charlotte Bronte, which expresses a way of life which is very temporary, okay, and unexpected. If you are having sorrows today, you will have happiness tomorrow. If you are having happiness tomorrow, you will have sorrows tomorrow. But that doesn't mean that those sorrows will remain with you to the ultimate level, to the eternity. No, it will go and it will turn into happiness again. Good days will come, bad days will come. Bad days will turn into good days will turn into bad days. How much ever you control your life and keep it in a positive way, keep it in a very happy way, there will be some unexpected things happening around you and happening in your life, which can turn your life from positive to negative, from negative to positive. So you don't have control over life, but still we need to keep our hope alive. We need to keep our hopes wings alive, wings independent, so that we turn our negative things into positive and try to keep our positive things as long as possible. So I hope you people have understood the poem which I have taught you right now. Do not forget to like this lecture. यहाँ तक देखा है तो अच्छा लगा ही होगा तो like करके जाना, नहीं पसंद आए तो dislike कर सकते हो. Do not forget to share this to your WhatsApp story as well as to your friends of school, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. Okay, this was Basit sir, winding up my lecture over here. Thank you so much. Bye bye.